start today's vlog, I wanted to take a moment to thank Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Everyone's hair is different, and so Function of Beauty creates 100% customizable shampoos and conditioners tailored to your specific hair. I've partnered with them before and I've been using their products ever since. Just finished these 2 huge bottles which lasted me for ages. Basically, all you need to do is fill out a quick 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, hair goals, and personal preferences, including color, fragrance, and the name that's printed on the bottle. And so mine all say Nessie. They are free of parabens, sulfates, GMOs, and toxins, and are also vegan and cruelty free. And since using this, my hair has gotten significantly less oily than before and has no split ends anymore. And so this time I've slightly switched out my hair goals to focus on reducing brassiness. These dyed ends of my hair are looking a little orange, and so this purple color that I chose will definitely help to tone that down a lot. And the cherry blossom fragrance I went for makes it feel like spring even though it's winter here in Australia. They also offer other customizable hair care products such as this leave-in treatment, which is just really good for giving my hair that little extra boost of nutrients after I shower. So if you guys were interested in checking them out, you can follow my link down below to get 20% off your first order. Hello. So this fine morning I want to try and make some carrot juice. I have some freshly washed and peeled carrots here, and we also need some oranges. We actually have an orange tree in our backyard, so we are going off to pick that now. Ta-da! Which orange looks nice? This one looks nice. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Oh, my lens got some water on it. I'm so sorry. Shall we go for this one? This is a bit small. This one up here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my lens has water on it. Okay. It was raining last night, so the tree is a bit wet. Let's pick another one. Let's pick this one. Got it. Done. Back inside with our little haul. I'm going to chop up these carrots first. I think that's enough carrot, and let's go for the oranges. Sorry if the lighting keeps changing, guys. The sun is going in and out of the clouds. Don't have a juicer, so I can only use this blender and then filter it out. Ooh, hopefully it works. The color is so pretty, guys. Ooh. That was a lot of work, but I finally did it. Got out all the juice and got a pretty glass. Ta-da! Time for first try. Thought it might come out a bit bitter, but this is perfect. I feel like I've just been so busy recently, and so I thought I'd take a day to kind of just relax and do all the things that I've wanted to do but didn't have time to do. Cook myself delicious food that I've wanted to eat but haven't had time to eat, and basically just do whatever I want. So that starts off with making this carrot juice. I feel like I wanted to make this for the past half a year, but I've just never had time to until now. So cheers. Here to do my favorite pastime, grocery shopping. Let's grab a cabbage, 2 lemons, tomatoes, some apples, today's lunch, we are going to be making garlic shrimp pasta. Gonna tie up my hair and get to work. Lunch is served. Back in my room, and I wanted to do something that I haven't done in a year, and that is paint my nails. You guys have probably noticed in my videos my nails are pretty much always bare, so I thought today we'd give them a little loving. All the other nail polishes I had, I threw them all out. This is the only one that I have left. It is the Innisfree Real Color nail polish in the shade 43. Alright, let's start painting our nails. Where should I start? In here. I screwed it up, guys. I don't really know what my nail polish remover is, so I'm hoping makeup remover does the same thing. It does, surprisingly. Let's try this again, shall we? After I finish this, I kind of want to go bake something. I haven't baked in a while. I think I'm just gonna stick to something that I've made before. It's baked rice cake, and it is super easy to make. I feel like the thumb is the most stressful one to paint. Guys, I initially intended to chat with you guys while I was doing my nails, but ain't nobody got time for that. I need to concentrate so hard. Then my nails are finally done. Going to wait maybe 5 minutes for this to fully dry, and then we're going to head back to the kitchen to continue with our baking adventures. Alright guys, we are now in the kitchen, got my new nails, got a bowl, and we are about to begin baking. Let me just adjust this camera so you guys can see my bowl. So first of all, we're gonna add in an egg, milk, 30 grams of oil, 30 grams of sugar, and also roughly 1 spoon of baking powder, 150 grams of glutinous rice flour. Add all of that in. And now all we need to do is mix. This doesn't require any intense mixing, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. You can add in whatever dried berries you like here. So a lot of people like to add in cranberry, but I don't have any cranberry, so we're going to go in for these golden berries. Let's do... time to go in the oven, and we're gonna set it for 35 minutes. There we go. I feel like watching something, but I've already caught up on all the Pyeongsterang episodes and I already finished catching up on The King. I'm just waiting on episode 16 to come out. What can I watch now? Let me eat another slice of my baked rice cake. So cute!
There you go.
Ah. Hi guys, I am back from dinner and just brought out my projector. I haven't used it in a while, but I figured that now is a good time to start a new drama and I wanted to watch it from the comfort of my bed. So thought we go a bit bigger scale today. Let me get this set up. There we go. Got it set up on screen and I'm now going to go make myself a little late night snack to accompany me as I watch Dinner Mate. I just finished episode 1, took a shower and changed into a new set of PJs and I'm going to be applying this mask now as I continue watching. I quite like this drama so far. It kind of reminds me of old dramas, you know, back in the good old days. So let's put on episode 2 as I apply this. Just watched the mask off. It is midnight already, so I'm going to finish off this episode and go to bed. I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys in the next one.